All right, we're on. This is Rob Zdrojewski, and today I'm doing a little experiment. I've taped onto my iPad, I know you can't see it right now, a ruler. And what I'm going to do is this is a test to see how eye contact works. Now, right now I'm making very good eye contact because I'm looking at you at the little dot, which is the camera hole, and the iPad. And by the way, I have it in landscape mode. I realized you have to shoot video in landscape mode for an app idea like this to work. So we're doing landscape mode only. So I'm looking right at the lens right now. Now let me switch. Now I am looking at myself in the screen, and of course my eyes look like they're looking off center. So that's obviously going to be a problem if people are looking at the center of the iPad screen like this, as opposed to looking like this right now at the lens of the camera. So how can an app work? Well, one of my ideas is to increase the distance of where someone is to the iPad. Now I'm sitting about 6 feet away from the lens of the iPad. Okay, and you can see I look kind of small. So you have to be maybe a little bit closer. Let's say, since there's no zoom capability, let's say I'm here, I'm about 4 feet away. Now, in order to have good eye contact, I am going to start reading across my ruler, and I'll tell you where I'm at on inches. Right now I'm at the 0 mark. The 0 mark is looking at the lens of the camera. So let me take you through it. Now I'm looking at the number 1 mark. And now I'll move my eyes over, and now I'm looking at the number 2 mark, 2 inches away, to the right basically. And now I'm looking at 3 inches away. Now I'm looking at 4 inches away, and I'm just about in the middle of the iPad screen here. And now I'm looking at 5 inches away, 6 inches, 7 inches, and 8 inches is the very far right of the monitor, so obviously I'm looking kind of far away here. But my guess is if you go back to, here's the 0 mark, if I go between 0, 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4, I can't do this while I'm trying to look while I'm doing it. I'd say 4 is kind of getting where it looks like you're not making eye contact anymore. So let's start at 3. We're saying 3 is our extreme far right of where we're going. So between 0 to 3. If my words are within the first 3 inches of the left side of the screen, it looks like I could be appearing that I'm making decent eye contact. So that would be a design consideration for an app where eye contact has to be the goal. The words that you're reading, if you're reading off a teleprompter, have to be basically on the side of the screen close to the eyeball of the camera. So I hope all that worked and I didn't confuse you too much, but that's my little screen check example, seeing where the eyes make their contact with the ruler. So thank you for watching.